Cacoxenite Auralite. I've never been heard such a weird and strange name for a gemstone ever. Anyway, let's start our topic. The Auralite Amethyst crystal is a beautiful gemstone that can only be found in Canada and has a very distinctive look. It's estimated to be around 1.2 billion years old and it can contain up to 23 different minerals. However, on average, each piece of auralite has between 2 to 7 different minerals. In the last few years, auralite amethyst has been rapidly increasing in popularity due to its outstanding metaphysical properties, testimonials, unique look, and its unusual mineral composition. Auralite is indeed a very rare crystal and its beauty is captivating people from all around the world. Why is there fake auralite in the market? Unfortunately, its growing popularity also comes with challenges. There's an increase in sales of fake auralite around the world, especially in the online market. Please do make sure the source of your auralite is trustworthy and do not be fooled by these scams. Auralite scams come mainly from China and India. Dishonest sellers are labeling other crystals that do not look at all the same as auralite and selling them as authentic auralite. Do not fall prey to these scammers who often sell regular amethyst or any other mineral that vaguely resembles auralite. People who are interested in the real auralite amethyst usually don't mind paying the price because these stones are unique and very rare to find. This is why these predators are taking advantage of the situation and the lack of information on the subject. Therefore, it is our duty to inform customers of the different scams going on out there so they don't get taken advantage of. Your best weapons against these scams are to find a seller that you can trust and to do a bit of research on your product before purchasing it online. Where does real auralite comes from? Please remember that auralite can only be found in one place in the world, Canada. This is why I recommend not buying auralite from a seller anywhere else in the world that is not from Canada, especially from China. However, even then, some Canadian companies also sell fake auralite. Ensure that your supplier is trustworthy. Please note that Super 7 is from Brazil and it is not the same thing as auralite amethyst even though they do have some similarities. How to recognize real and fake auralite. The chevrons are a good way to tell if this stone is real auralite. The more chevrons it has, the older the crystal is and the more likely it is to be auralite. You can also tell by the price. If you are buying auralite for an extremely low price that almost seems to be too good to be true, then your auralite is most probably fake. Auralite is a very rare type of amethyst with a high amount of inclusions that can only be found in Canada. Most of it is mined by hand by a few locals, which results in very low amounts of this material being available to supply the worldwide demand. This is the reason why auralite prices tend to be more expensive than regular amethyst or other crystals.